Welcome back, my home cooks and chefs. You know, I couldn't make all these desserts without a banana pudding. We can't leave the banana out. I got a simple, easy way to make the banana pudding. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into the ingredients. All right, you guys, so let's get up into whipping up this banana pudding, you guys. Now, if you guys know me, my favorite dessert is banana pudding, then cheesecake. But I'm about to whip it up. I got a few ingredients I'm about to let y'all know about. You know, we got some vanilla wafers, so you can get whatever you like. These are ones that I just came up on at the Kroger's store. I see some Godiva on sale, so it was some Godiva white chocolate pudding. So I said, why don't I try that out? And then you got to have, you know what I'm saying, some instant banana pudding. So we're going to do these two, mix it together. And, you know, you can't have banana pudding without bananas. So I got bananas because I know I made the last one, and they was over there, yeah, I don't see no bananas in there. I'm like, look. You know, y'all YouTube police, just get off me. You know what I'm saying? This is how I'm gonna make it. Now, you know, I always hear a bit about people saying, "Oh, that's not real. This not this. This not that." About real banana pudding. It's like, look, I don't know what century you living in, but if you combine all those ingredients together, you're gonna make the same exact thing that's instant. So that's why, you know, say why waste the time. So I'm gonna show you how to do a simple and easy instant banana pudding. Very simple and easy with a little white chocolate in there, vanilla pudding. So yeah, don't be turned off on it because if you ain't, you know, you can't knock it until you try it, you guys. All right, so let's get into everything we got. So we got 2 boxes, you know, of Godiva vanilla white chocolate. We got a banana instant pudding. You can get whatever like one you like, Jello pudding, whatever. This is Kroger brand. I got 2 bananas to chop up, and don't forget you're gonna have when we whip all this instant together. You're gonna have 3.5 cups of whole milk. So I bet I'll be seeing you out there doing half and half or whatever like that. I'm gonna doing some nasty stuff. I say you want to have it creamy. You know, so this is not a diet food. You don't have it hooked up and stuff like that. So put all the fat in here, you guys. All right, so let's get into whipping it up. So I'm about to get into that now. All right, you guys, so we're gonna get ready to chop up these bananas before we whip up the instant pudding, so we make sure we can have everything assembled and stuff like that. So, I mean, it just depends on how many bananas you like. You can have a lot, a little, and stuff like that. You don't have to be cute about it. You can do it thin, you can do it thick. So, I'm just gonna chop these up, and we're gonna get it to the next one very soon. Now, you know, some people I know they like to whip their bananas in the banana pudding. If you got instant pudding and stuff like that, I just like to layer it. You know, that's the reason why I have these bananas chopped up. But I mean, you could also too, like I said, give a tip. I could give a huge tip is what you do is chop up your bananas, you know, whip them up into a paste, and then put them into your instant pudding, and it's incorporated into the instant pudding. So that's one way to do it. I just like to layer. I don't like to put it in there because not everybody likes bananas in the banana pudding. So I leave it where people can pick around it. All right, you guys. So let me get into whipping up the instant pudding, banana pudding. All right, you guys. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your 3.5 cups of milk in here first, whole milk. All right, you guys. You don't have to get on y'all for trying to put in some half and half. You know what I'm saying? Put in whole milk. So this is 3.5 cups because we got 1 small pack, you know what I'm saying, banana pudding, and we have 1 large pack of Godiva white chocolate. What you want to first do is lift it up, make sure you have everything, get ready to whipped, put it on stir. So, and then what you want to do next is add in your pudding. Put everything in the pot. All right, you add your banana pudding in. Now, like I said, you don't have to do the white chocolate. This is just something we're doing. You can just do straight up banana pudding. And maybe, like I said, it'd be just as good. So we're gonna start just to stir it up to get it started. Make sure you throw everything away and keep your station clean, you guys. Because I like a messy station, so I don't want to catch out here with a dirty station. So keep your stuff clean. All right, and we're gonna speed it up until it starts getting thickened. So right now, I put it on about speed of 3. And you know, as it starts thickening it up, then I slow it down. So once it starts thickening it up, we're gonna go into the next step to start layering our banana pudding. All right, so once it starts thickening up, after about 2 minutes, to about 3 minutes, turn it off and let it sit for about another 2 minutes, and it should be thick enough to get ready to start layering it. All right, so we're gonna get ready to layer it. first thing you want to do, first thing I do in mine is add a little bit of the banana pudding to my whipped cream. You know, so you want to have some flavor and everything. So just whip it in, fold it in. You know, now you don't have to. You can skip this step, but this is what I like to do to have a little banana flavor in every part of it. So just fold it in. Don't whip it. You know, it'll flatten. Mind you, this thing is airy. So, all right, that's all you need to do. That's it, you guys. All right, so now we're gonna get a little messy. So the bottom half, what you want to do is add a little bit, just a little bit. Just add a little bit of it to the bottom. What this doing is making sure your cookies that you're gonna put at the bottom stick to the bottom, and make sure everybody have a little flavor. Sorry. So now just add in a little crumble to the bottom, a little cookie to the bottom. You don't have to be all neat and cute, but that's just me. If I didn't make it neat, it just wouldn't look right for me. So all right, so just make about, depending on what pan you got, however many rows of it. So I'm gonna do that. And you know, when you're doing your banana pudding, you're gonna do layers. So now you put in your banana pudding. Just smooth it out. Make sure you get them all the way across. Yeah, I know you're seeing a cookie fall. Well, you know, it happens. I had the wrong spatula. All right, you guys. So just get it all the way across the way you want it, like. And next, add in your bananas. So let me do that. Add in your bananas, layer it up, go across, diagonally, however you like. Told you I'm kind of a little OCD. Put them in there neatly. All right, make sure everybody has them in the party. Just add in your bananas all the way through. All right, you guys. And then add your vanilla. So add in your vanilla. I mean your whipped cream, sorry. I said vanilla. Make sure you smooth that across. Mind you, this is layering, so get all the way to the edge, you guys. Now everybody does it different way. This is just how I do it to make sure I get all of it. Make sure it's all in the corners and everything like that, so everybody can get a nice bite of whipped cream and everything. And then you do, rinse and repeat. Have you heard that before? Just add in your vanilla wafers to the next layer. And this time we're going to add in our bananas with this layer. Now it doesn't matter how many layers you do across, stuff like that. This just depends on how many you would like on your, how many you want like across. Yep. All right, then bananas. Now everybody's gonna get some in the party because there's enough bananas, so spread them across. Make sure everybody gets a little bit something. When it comes down to the banana pudding. Alrighty, now we're gonna add in the rest of the banana pudding. And make sure you get it all the way across so you can make sure you can spread it. Because the first I put it in there, you notice I didn't do that. So just make sure you add everything all the way across so when you smooth it across, it comes down smoothly. Now you can use a smaller pan to make it thicker, so it's up to you. So, but this is just how I'm doing it. Everybody has their way of doing it, but I haven't had no complaints so far. So I don't want to hear you out there complaining. All right, you guys. So you see how we got this layer on there? Comes out pretty good. Now you can use, there's a spatula you can use to actually smooth it out and stuff like that, but I didn't get it this time. All right, and next you want to do is do your whipped cream, you guys. Well, now you can do actually another layer of another wafers, but I'm gonna use it for a different reason right now. I'm gonna put on the rest of the whipped cream, and that will be that when it comes down to this part of layering. Alrighty. Now smooth this across, you guys. Now you can use more whipped cream. It's up to you. Or you could do store bought. You don't have to do it from scratch. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, this is not a free for all rules type of dish. You got to keep a certain way. Just do it the way you want to. If you like to wing it, however you want to. If you want to make it from scratch, you can. There are many recipes out there. I will be making one from scratch because, so I know, everybody's doing it. Some people are doing it. I don't know how to do them all the ways, but like I said, this is real simple and easy and something fun you could do with the kids, a husband and wife date night. It's up to you. You know what I'm saying? How you would like to do it. So now what you want to do is crush up, some graham cracker crusts. Now I can crush them in my hand because it's easy. Now you can actually put them in a bag and do them yourself, and crush them up. But, like I said, work smarter, not harder, you guys. You can do it that way ahead of time so you have it ready. But this is one way to do it. So, just crush it up, sprinkle it around. Now, if you want to, you can add little layers of banana on the top. But the crowd I have, they don't want too many bananas. You already seen enough, so the bananas already as it is, so I'm not going to be doing it. So get them all over, make a nice little presentation. Like I said, this is just for a family, so I'm not really trying to do it all crazy and amazing because it's going to taste amazing, And if you got some leftover bananas, definitely do that. And so, I'm used to bananas putting wafers on the sides. It's my favorite. So you can do this as well. Now, you don't have to, like I said, but this is one way that I like doing it. Just drop the box, you guys. And just go all the way around. Got that little crunch. Now, so I use sometimes those checker cookies. I forgot the name of it right now, but I probably remember in a little bit. And those are great too. I have a video on how to do that without bananas. So if you would like to see that one, definitely check that video up. I'll probably do it at the end of this video. Let me wash my hands real quick. So like I said, presentation is key. And like I said, you don't want to leave things as a mess. So wash as you go. So you guys, what you think? This is a very simple and easy recipe. Let me know if you tried this or you tried your version. Leave, comment below. If you're new to my channel, I'm KC. Welcome to the Urban Culture Kitchen, you guys, where we do soul food dishes, and I show you the ease of how to do them. And this is one way to do an easy soul food dish, banana pudding. You know what I'm saying? Banana pudding is not hard. It's something supposed to be enjoyable that you enjoy with your family. So you can make it, from scratch, or you can make it instant. And what I just wanted to show you was an instant way to do it. This is just my way of doing a very easy and simple instant one. So I'm about to put this in the refrigerator, leave it there for about 30 minutes to have it stiffen up, and then serve it out to your guests, you guys. But I'm your chef, KC, and I will see you guys in the next one.